All right, really quick video on green figures. I think a lot of people won't like what I have to say here, but so be it. I'm not getting into green figures because I demand more. We call this in our membership, we will call this a dgen play, and that is what it is. We throw in, this is like a 1 or 2% for some people. Like they just throw a little bit in there and say, Kate, let's go to the casino, let's have fun, and I'm cool losing it all tonight. What really drives me crazy is I see so many YouTubers, which their model is the referral money. That's how they make their money. I learned this great thing quite a while ago, or someone told me this, is if you're not paying for a product, you are the product. If you're not paying for something, but you're using it, you are the product. And I was like, okay, social media. And now it's all this referral stuff. Now, I chose to build a model and a business where it doesn't matter. I don't need the referral money. I want to give deep education. I want to create deep strategy. I want to actually approach this like investors, not gamblers. So we have our CryptoLabs passive income membership. We hold educational things. And I don't share referral links. And if I do, they're to projects I love. And it all goes into giveaways anyway. I don't take any of it. I don't need it. I don't make my money that way. A lot of the YouTubers do. And so and I'm not casting shade at that. I'm just saying be careful with who you listen to. Now, what the YouTubers will say is, but they're KYC'd, they're doxxed, they're audited or whatever. Their audit is a joke because we all know, well, you may or may not know, but the stamp is a joke. If I was getting a project audited, I want to go by the stamp. They could care less. And, through rug season, through rug week, we have to demand more. We have to demand more. And we, as the investors, if you want to call this that, just simply vote with our wallets. And if we say, no, we're not giving projects like this money anymore, then the projects will have to smarten up and do something different. Now, we are seeing that, but there's still people falling for these kind of projects. Now, could this project be around for a bit? Yes. Could you make your 10, 15% per month? Yes. But they're asking for money. Their audit sucks. Their KYC, this is also a joke because their track record is horrible. They don't want to show their faces. They can't give you what kind of returns you're going to get. You have to request your withdrawal. It's not a high quality project. Yet so many people keep dumping so much. It's like crack. I'm seeing so many investors. They're not investors. This kind of stuff isn't investing, by the way. This is gambling. It's fine. Just know the game you're playing. If you do get into this, just know, I'm gambling. Oh, okay. Well, that's going to be fun. This isn't like, I'm making a very strategic decision for the betterment of my future. This isn't that. Just know that. And so if you choose to get into it, just do your research. And I would stay away from some other YouTubers' opinions because they got green in their eyes saying, we're going to make so much off this. We're excited. And of course, they're going to say this is the best project. This team, the project reached out to me 2 or 3 days ago. And I was just kind of like, okay, interesting, potential. And as I kept diving deeper and deeper into it, we rated it on the high risk dgen play. And that is what it is. So that's my opinion on it. You may not agree with me on that, and that's fine. And I wish you well. And I hope you make millions and gazillions of dollars. And I hope this project never rugs. And I hope this project gives you everything you've ever wanted. But I demand more. I am an investor. I'm not a gambler. I'm an investor. I'm building bull run portfolios. I'm still in projects that have been paying me month over month over month. And if a project is higher up on the risk curve, I invest very little. And I sometimes don't even count it as daily income. Like if I got into this project, which I won't, but if I did get into this project and I was making whatever, $10 a day, I would not count that as daily income. Because to me, I'm just gambling. I'm rolling the dice on a daily basis, and that's fine, and that's fun. But it is what it is. So I hope this video helps someone out there who's been on the fence. They see what everyone else is doing, and I hope this gives you a different perspective. You do also have to request your withdrawal. So it's not like a DApp where you just get it zapped over to you. You have to trust the team to give it back. Now, if I'm completely wrong on this, awesome. I'm okay owning that, but I'm demanding more. I'm demanding more. That's it. I'm demanding more. I'm looking for projects that give me more. If I was launching a project, I would do a lot more for my investors than Green Figures is. That's that. I would do a lot more. It's like people are obsessed with meme coins. which 99% of people will lose, and then their hit of crack. Just remember gambling psychology. People lose all of their money gambling, and they'll keep coming back, even if it's costing them their relationships and their entire life. This is no different. And I see a lot of people on that wheel. They're not approaching this strategically. They're approaching it as gamblers looking for their next hit of crack, looking for their next dopamine hit, looking for their next loss because they get to feel something. I'm not interested in losing. I'm interested in making money. So you do what you want. You got 3 minutes to decide. And with that said, I do hope this found you well and gets you thinking. That's all. That's all I'm trying to do here. So appreciate you. Appreciate your time. And with that said, we'll see you in the next vid.